I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Clean the L Drago Destructor's plastic ring using isopropyl 70% or higher, then dry it completely. Once done, dry fit each sticker. Hold it in place to confirm orientation and spacing. You'll use tweezers and a magnifier to place the first sticker at the center of the area, press gently from the middle outward to push air out, and keep the edge aligned. This prevents misalignment and bubbling while saving you rework later. You continue by peeling the backing slowly at a shallow angle so the adhesive stays clean. Avoid touching it with your fingers. Once the sticker touches the plastic, hold one edge and use a soft squeegee or a credit card wrapped in microfiber to smooth from center to the edges, removing air and ensuring full contact. If edges overlap or exceed the groove, carefully trim excess with a sharp hobby knife. Cut toward the sticker at a low angle for a clean finish. You finish by sealing the stickers if you want extra durability. Apply one thin coat of matte clear spray held 6-8 inches away and allow 15-20 minutes to tack dry. Once cured, reassemble and test spin balance on a flat surface. If you notice wobble or drift, identify the offending sticker, lift a corner slowly, reposition, and press back down. If tiny bubbles remain, gently pierce with a fine pin and smooth outward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.